Hello, my name is Aura, and I'm the Learning Commons Assistant Coordinator and Game Art Tutor here at the SLC. Today I wanted to show you how to schedule an appointment with a tutor here at the SLC. First, you're going to want to go to remcad.mywconline.com. If you've never had an appointment before, you will have to make an account. You first click Register for an account. You enter in your first name, last name, your REMCAD email address, or it will not work, then your student ID, phone number, major, and if you are an on-ground student or an online student. Next, you have to make a password that has to be at least 10 characters. After you do that, you can scroll down and select your communication preferences from send emails, reminder emails, or opt in for text messaging. Once you set your preferences, make sure to prove you're not a robot and then hit create account. After you've made your account, you'll be greeted with our scheduling. So to go over this a little bit, the dark purple boxes are blocked off times, which means you cannot schedule. The gray boxes means this time has already passed. The pink boxes indicate that a student has already scheduled for that time. To schedule, you can pick your tutor just by selecting, or you can pick by topic. Let's say I need assistance with Maya. I'll click Maya, and then I can see all the available tutors that tutor on Maya. To make an appointment, I'm going to click on the white boxes that indicate an available slot, and then you will automatically have your email address in the client box. You can select the time by hitting this little drop-down box. Let's say I want to be scheduled for an hour. From there, you can scroll down and select if this is an online appointment or face-to-face appointment. Some tutors only do strictly online appointments. After you select your appointment preference, you'll have to go to your appointment details and enter your name, pronouns, your year of study. If it is for a class, what class you would like help with. If the class is online or on ground. If the assignment is not for a class, you can put what you would like to work on in this box. All appointments are going to be in Mountain Time, so make sure you hit this little box. You can also attach files. So if you would like your tutor to review your assignment, feel free to attach your file. You can also set repeating options. If you'd like to meet with a tutor weekly, you can set it to repeat every 1 week on the selected day or days. And this goes until the end of the term. So make sure to adjust this if you'd only like 3 appointments for 3 weeks. And then you can click Save Options. Make sure you pay attention to the meeting location. So if you're on ground, your tutor will have their office, or they'll be able to communicate with you where you would like to meet. A Zoom link will also be available, or a Google Meet. Make sure if you're using Google Meet that you're logging in with your REMCAD email and that you already have Google Chrome downloaded. Once you make an appointment, you'll receive an email saying that you have indeed made the appointment, and this will include all of the information such as if you're on ground or online, who you're meeting with, the date and the time, as well as a Zoom link. It also reminds you that all appointments are made in Mountain Time. At the bottom of the email, it does show our lateness and no-show policies. If you are more than 15 minutes late to an appointment, the SLC reserves the right to mark the appointment as a no-show. After 3 missing appointments, you will no longer be able to self-schedule appointments online. You can always cancel your appointment by logging into remcad.mywconline.com, or you can email us at learning@remcad.edu. If you ever need to cancel an appointment, select your appointment slot and select Cancel Appointment. You can also edit your appointment if you decide that maybe you want to meet next week or on a different day. So select appointment date, and let's say we want to meet like a week from now. And then select Save. If you have any questions, feel free to email your tutor directly or reach out to learning@remcad.edu. We hope to see you soon, and thank you for watching.